So leo usiku tuna bahati yake ya Mungu sababu kuna mwimbaji anaitwa Teto Tutuma. Teto ni Masai kutoka Kajiado.
Teto Tutuma and the Purple Warriors Band is a musical force that is gently stirring up in Nairobi. With sounds inspired by the magical spirit of the Maasai Plains, acoustic riffs blended with soft African percussion and fused with Maasai chants, they create a sound best described as having an international appeal. From his humble beginnings in a village deep in the heartland of Maasai, Teto Tutuma was lucky to have a musical mother who inspired him to sing and play music from a very early age.
I am a peddler of peace, singing and telling stories with this guitar, accompanied by my band, the Purple Warriors.
Teto Tutuma spent years searching his heart to bring forth the style of music which would reflect his uniqueness of coming from one of the deepest and oldest traditional societies in the world, yet at the same time being a contemporary musician in a modern-day society of Nairobi. Currently, Teto Tutuma and the Purple Warriors Band are introducing their definitive sound to different audiences around Kenya. From the shores of Lake Victoria in Budalangi to the beaches of the Indian Ocean in Mombasa, they have garnered mixed reviews to their shows. Recently, Teto Tutuma released his second album, Nosim Ai. This is definitely a band for all lovers of contemporary African music.
I dreamt of you the other night.